What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating an eyeshadow look to enhance my deep set eyes. To follow along the shape of my deep set eyes, I'm usually creating videos to kind of hide or change the look of deep set eyes, but I thought why not just kind of accept the beauty in them, accept the way they are shaped, and just make them look enhanced. Follow the shape of my deep set eyes and create a look that is rounded, it's youthful, it's making my eyes look bright and beautiful. So there is, I think, one kind of don't that I don't really do that I did today on my eyes to create this look, so that is in there. Yeah, so if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, if you want to follow along at home, yeah, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start off with a really fluffy brush, one that isn't too dense so it won't pick up a lot of pigment. I'm gonna go in with the shade M7, which is a warmer neutral, one of the medium tones in the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm gonna tilt my head back slightly so that I get a flatter kind of space to work on, and we're just going to buff and do some circles, starting from the tip of the brow and then coming down. So we're just following the natural pattern of the deep set eye. This is just going to be a soft, round looking eye look. We're leaving a lot of brightness on this outer corner. Most of the shape is coming up here, and then it is kind of narrowing down on the outer corner. Right now I'm going to go in with a rounded brush that has a little bit more density to it, so it'll pick up more pigment. I'm going to go into the cooler shade right beside it, and I'm going to go tighter to the crease with this. So not directly in the crease, just hugging the crease. Just kind of rounding it out 3/4 of the eye. Not going right in that inner part. But narrowing it down on the outer part. We're following the shape of our eye. I'm going to take another rounded fluffy brush. I'm going to go in with a little bit more pigment in that warm tone right there. And starting in circular motions, I'm just going to place more pigment where we first started. Sometimes it's nice to just go in lightly, kind of map out what you want to do, and then if you want to add more pigment, just keep layering lightly and going over top. We're embracing the shape of our deep set eyes, so we're following the downturnedness of them. We're not making them look more deep set, we're just enhancing the beauty of them. I'm going in again with that cool taupe and the same brush that I used before, and I'm pushing it into the outer crease now just to get those pockets right there that end up staying kind of bright when you go over with a fluffy brush. So just pushing it in on the outer corner. It's going in with the Jaclyn Hill JH35, as well as this light beige color right here. And we're just going to go over the lid. Just to soften the brightness of the lid. I rarely do this, but I'm going to go in with this light shade right here, this light kind of off-white color, and I'm going to highlight the brow bone. I get so many comments on my do's and don'ts of deep set eyes that I did a few years ago that so many love the don't side. So I'm taking a couple don'ts from that video and I'm doing them. So I'm highlighting right on the brow bone, and then I'm just gonna kind of go in again with a fluffy brush and the shade right next to it and just kind of blend that through. I'm going in with this really fluffy brush from Prideful. It will not pick up too much pigment, and I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. This is just More Than a Glow highlighter from Catrice. I love doing this with sparkly foiled colors just to pick up a little iridescence but not have something super foiled, and I'm just placing this all over my lid. Even in that inner pocket that I don't usually try to add any sort of pigment, that's where I'll put brightness or just like highlight it. That is the area of the deep set eye that you don't want to put too much depth or pigment or dark colors on. Wouldn't be a complete eye look for me if I didn't go underneath my lower lash line with one of the neutral colors. So I'm going to use the one that we placed up higher on the brow bone and gonna go right under the lower lash line with this. It just ties in the eye look so nicely. You can just see it there, just completes the look. This will help round out the eye as well. I'm just gonna tight line with my Sephora black eyeliner. I'm gonna add some liquid eyeliner as well to complete the look, and just going to follow my lash line. And that'll just thicken the lash line right up. So I added my mascara. This is the final eye look. What a beautiful way to apply our eyeshadow to create a youthful, rounded eye, enhance the beauty of our deep set eyes, follow the natural shape of our eyes, and just make them look like ours, but even better. This is a really easy tutorial to follow along to. So if you do, let me know how you like it, how it came out for you. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.